we're here at Helms Nursery, and today joining me is Rachel Scott, and she is the daughter of Anita Helms, whose vision this was. Rachel, can you tell us a little bit about your nursery here?
Yes, my mom loves plants. She has since she was a little kid. She grew up in southeastern Oklahoma, so it's full of plants and flowers and all sorts of stuff there. And she just had this vision to sell happiness to people all around the Oklahoma Panhandle.
And you get to work here in the place of happiness.
Yes,
This
I do.
actually started in Goodwell, though, right?
Yes, it did. We started there in 1992, a little bit before I was here, so a little before my time. But we started with a single greenhouse, and now we have 5 out there. Wow. And it's a really huge lot. It just kind of goes on forever, and kind of like this place does. People walk in and they're not expecting it to be so big, and they just keep on going, and they think it's really magical that it's just here.
Yeah, yeah. And actually, we're at the Guymon location, and we're at where the old feed store used to be.
Yes.
So you actually have a greenhouse snuck back in there, and a lot of it's very quaint because it is the old feed store.
Yes, a lot of people like that. They come in to see the signs, and they remember that the feed store was here, and the older people of Guymon, they just love it that something is still happening to the store that they used to visit while they were a kid.
And this is your main retail location now, down in Goodwell. You grow a lot of your own plants here. I mean, the quality of them, the consistency of them looks great.
Yes, we do. We grow from seed out there. My mom plants all the seeds. She won't let anybody else do it.
Quality control. Huh?
Yes, she loves to do that. And then we get some plugs in that we grow a lot of our stuff from. We get some trees in that we plant in our own pots, but a lot of it we do grow from seed. It's really cool.
All right, so when customers come in here, I mean, what are they looking for that you guys have? You have some unique perennials and things like that, but what are they really looking for?
They really like stuff that'll withstand the heat and our wind. They like windbreak trees like Australian pines and arborvitaes, just to kind of cut back and give them a little bit of solitude from the wind out here.
You do get a little bit of wind here.
Yes, we do.
And in fact, we've got a great shade structure here behind us. Your dad built this just recently?
Yes, he did.
It's not going anywhere.
No, it's not. It's very sturdy. It's from an old watering pipe that we have on our farm. So he likes to repurpose all of that old farm stuff and put it up here, which a lot of the old farmers come in and they think, oh, that is really cool.
Yeah, I mean, that's an irrigation pivot, the pipe. So they're pretty solid.
Yes.
And also provides a nice service for your shade plants.
Yes, our plants love it. It protects them from the wind and the hail and all sorts of elements out here.
Well, you guys are providing a lot of plants, but I mean, are there other nurseries around here? You provide to a lot of people.
Yes, we do. There's really not anywhere. A lot of the businesses around here have gone out of business because it's just so tough to grow plants out here. People come from Colorado, they come from Kansas and Texas. As far as like 6 hours away, people will come and buy stuff here.
Well, Rachel, it's a lovely nursery here in Guymon, and thank you for showing us around Helms Nursery.
Well,
and
thank you for coming.
If you don't mind, I'm going to grab a cart and get a few plants
Absolutely.
too.
Please
Excellent.
do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.